Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the Morphe 24G palette. This is it right here. It literally just came in yesterday and I was so excited, and because I think I'm literally like one of the first people to receive it, which is insane. So I'm super excited, and today I'm going to be doing a first impressions as well as a demo and tutorial just to show you guys how they look on and how they blend. And you guys know Morphe shadows are my favorite, and they literally always blend like butter and they perform really well. And this is really a different palette for them because the pans are huge. I mean, look at how giant they are. They're really, I mean, I've already used it once, but the pigmentation is obviously does not disappoint per usual from them. And the colors blend so well. They go on really easy. This is really, Morphe's a great starting point if you're a makeup artist that's just getting into makeup, or if you're really just starting out in makeup, then Morphe is a great brand for you because it's so affordable and literally it's foolproof. I feel like these shadows really are hard to mess up because they blend so well and they're so easy to blend out. Then it's hard to, I mean, it's easy to mess things up, but at the same time, these shadows make it super easy to blend and to really get a nice seamless look. And they're also very versatile, which I really liked. But I'm going to continue using this because I feel like I need to keep trying it out and keep playing with it to really get the full aspect of this palette, the colors, the scheme, the tone, the vibes, all of those things. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Also, please excuse, I accidentally said 25G like 3 times when I recorded it, and then realized that it was 24G, so I apologize on that. That's my bad. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So I already primed my lids with my All Nighter Concealer by Urban Decay. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. And I'm gonna just top it off with my Patrick Star from MAC translucent setting powder just to give it a nice even base. And I'm just using, I think I got this brush off of Amazon, to be honest, I think back in the day, just so I have a nice, you know, clean all over base so that the shadows, this will make the shadows just glide on. And this is what I normally do every single day. This is how everything will stay the same. I'm just going to be incorporating this palette. So I'm going to tape the shade Frenchie, and it looks like this. This like nice, it looks like barf color. Whatevs. And I'm going to take a Morphe. Oh no, it broke. I've had this brush for years. This was literally one of the first brushes Morphe ever sent me. E22, and he broke. I'll just glue him back. Anyways, dang it. I'm gonna go in with Frenchie and start building up some color. I love these tones as transitions. It actually reminds me of a shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. No, actually it reminds me exactly of this one shade in the Modern Renaissance. And I'm just gonna start getting that all over the place. I'm gonna go in with Flirty, which is like a peachy, rusty tone. And I'm going to use my Be Bella NG327 brush, which is like a nice tapered, fluffy brush, but it's more for precision. I like it because I can really get it in there because it goes to a really nice point. And I'm just going to start. I really like, these shadows are insane. I mean, Morphe shadows are known for being ultra pigmented. I'm going to go in with mixing Flirty and Brew, and I'm going to mix them together, just barely tapping in each one of them. and it doesn't come out so dark, so harsh, so quick, you know? You can give it some time. I really think the key to smoky eyes and learning how to do them is taking it slow. And you really can't rush your makeup. I tell people this all the time. People ask me, you know, I just don't have time to do that. I'm like, well, if you want to learn it and you want to know how to do it, you need to take the time and give yourself the time. And because one thing I will say is that with makeup, you will appreciate taking the time for yourself to do your makeup. If you are someone who struggles with anxiety or depression, or there's something going on in your life that maybe affects you every single day, and you just are not, you know, feeling good about yourself, makeup is, I think, a place for all of us to kind of come and let our creativity out and just kind of have fun. And at the end, you're left with this amazing result, and something you can be proud of and something you can go out to the world with and really feel confident and beautiful about yourself and your work. Because the best thing about makeup is that, you know, your work is displayed and you get to walk around every day with it. So I think that's the coolest thing. And I always try to tell people who are thinking about really starting to get into makeup to just go for it and really put your all and your passion into it. And you never know, you know, who's going to be watching you and how they can be inspired by you. And one of my goals for this year is to really be more vocal. Here on YouTube, I really want to speak more, and I want you guys to hear my story a little bit more about what I've been through. You guys might have seen my Nicole Arbor video, and I kind of talked about it, but I'm going to open up a little bit more with you guys and tell you guys a little bit more about what I've been through, how I overcame it mostly. I think that's the important part, is how I overcame it and how you guys can overcome these things too, because I'm not going to lie, I struggled, but I know that people have it so much worse than I did. And if there's anything I can bring and do to give back, it's that I just want someone to feel like they're not alone in such dark places and in dark spaces. And, you know, in the things we think about when we're so down and we're so, like, in our own heads, it's scary, but it's also like you feel like there's no other option and that that's all that there is left for yourself and for your life, and it's not. And I'm just here to tell people that it's not over, and you are worthy of feeling good and feeling beautiful. And that is the most important thing, is that somebody tells you that every single day of your life. And you need to be surrounding yourself with people who are, and if you don't have someone in your life, I hope that I can be that person for you. And like I said, I'm going to be uploading way more, and I want to do some chit chat videos and, you know, videos where I just kind of talk to you guys, and you know, I just want to give back and help. So I'm still just using those two shades. And I started to kind of blend them out more towards my lid. I'm going in with a Morphe R39 brush, and it's kind of like a shadow packing brush. And I'm just taking Flirty and kind of just creating a transitional tone on my lid. So now going back in with Brew, and I'm just going to start packing that like nice deep Urban Decay All-Nighter Concealer and a BH Cosmetics 107 brush. And it's this. Like we've never met before. It may take me another life to you guys on a pull on my. But you're just the lesson that I wish I never learned. I'm gonna go in with the color Chewy. And Chewy is this really nice like almost olive bronzy shade. It's so pretty. And I'm going to spray my brush with Fix Plus first because I just think it will maximize the color. I'm going to place that on the inner lid. The Tartist Clay Paint. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M217 brush. And creating the solid line first. And creating the arch. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation, my contour, everything else, and then come back to do lashes and the bottom of my under eye, and I will be right back. So I'm going to use the Better Than Sex mascara. This one is just my fave because for upper lashes, when I'm applying my lashes, for me, I just need something really quick that's going to coat them all. What is this hair?
I just want to dance, just turn up the music now. I don't need to know nobody. I don't want to know when I get alone. I forget the.
Okay, so I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs highliner in Earthquake. This is the best, like, dark brown line.
Nobody, I don't need no nobody to party, to party, to party.
I'm going to start off with Frenchie, that transition tone we used, just to kind of get the mood going.
I don't wanna know.
Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to do very light layers. I love those really nice Kim Kardashian defined, nice fluffy bottom lashes. It's like my biggest goal in life. So that is the completed eye look. I'm going to dust away my bake now. And then I'm going to really quickly just highlight. I'm going to use the Beauty Plus Illuminator in Grace from Gerard Cosmetics, and I have a coupon code for you guys to save 30% off. And I'm using the Elsie Velvet Sponge. It's my favorite sponge. It does it all, literally, and this is perfect in these edges. Next, I'm going in with Artist Couture Cocoa Bling. I'm going to be using my Benefit Dandelion Blush. Alright, so this is the completed look. When I do my makeup, I mostly go full glam like this, and I even usually do glitter most of the time. But I just wanted to give this palette its own playing field for this look and really, you know, not add glitter, not do any of the extras that I normally do, and see how well it performs on its own. And I'm obsessed with the way it looks. And this is going to be retailing for $29, and it launches, this baby launches January 16th on morphebrushes.com. I'm not sure if it's going to be available at Ulta right away. I don't know if it's going to, just because they have such a limited section of Morphe right now, and I know they're going to be rolling out more later in this year, which is so exciting, by the way. But yeah, all in all, I'm really impressed with this palette. I'm never really disappointed with Morphe palettes, and I use them all the time. These are a great price point, and you get 24 shades. I mean, it's a lot of shades for only $29. So anyways, that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll leave all of my handles below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.